Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ashima Tutorials. Today's topic is testing the significance of simple correlation coefficient. Now, firstly we have to know what is correlation coefficient. It is denoted by R and it is measure of the strength of straight line और linear relation between two variable जिसकी वैल्यू लाई करती है +1 to -1. Okay, now the testing. With the help of t-test, we test the simple correlation coefficient. In this, we test whether the correlation in population is significant or not. Now, we set up the hypothesis. Where R is sample correlation coefficient and rho is population correlation coefficient. Now null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis in which rho is equal to 0. That means population correlation coefficient is 0, and in alternative hypothesis rho is not equal to 0, which is condition of two tail, and rho is less than 0, which is condition of left tail, and for rho greater than 0, which is condition of right tail. Now the t statistics is t is equal to r minus rho over standard error of simple correlation coefficient small r, which is equal to r minus rho over under root 1 minus r square over under root n minus 2, where n minus 2 is degree of freedom, right? Now it becomes r minus rho multiply by under root n minus 2 over under root 1 minus r square, where rho is equal to 0. So it becomes r under root n minus 2 over under root 1 minus r square. This is the t statistics for simple correlation coefficient, where n minus 2 is equal to degree of freedom. Now, example first. The correlation coefficient of 27 pairs of observation from a bivariate normal population comes out to be 0.6. Can we say that correlation is significant in the population? Now, solution. Given n is equal to 27 and r is equal to 0.6. Now we set up the hypothesis. H naught rho is equal to 0. That means correlation coefficient is not significant. Alternative hypothesis H1, rho is not equal to 0, which is condition of two-tail. The t-test statistics is t is equal to r under root n minus 2 over under root 1 minus r square. Substitute all the values. We get 3.75. Mod t becomes 3.75. Here degree of freedom is equal to n minus 2. 27 minus 2 is equal to 25. At alpha equal to 5%, critical value of t 0.05 at 25 is given 2.06. Conclusion: by comparing the values of t, 3.75 is greater than 2.06. Therefore, H0 is rejected and H1 is accepted. Thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe.